Hi, this is Miss Brenda, and this is my mukbang video. I got these pork skins I like to chew on. They're called seasoned strips, and they're extremely crunchy and hard, and that's what I like about them. It's the perfect salty, hard salty snack, and I eat them regularly. I could just crunch them all day. Some people pop gum. I crunch pork skins. Seasoned stripped. I won't show you the brand because I don't think we could do that on social media without paying for advertisement. Seasoned strips. Pork skins. That a hard crunch is just so, it's therapeutic. It's literally therapeutic. I love it. They're spicy too. And you have to get a little bit of MSG in it, but hey, I love these things. Some of them are harder than other ones. Some of them are more tastier than other ones. They're all good. Some of them are bigger than other ones too. I don't know how long these videos are supposed to last, but I'd say maybe 3 minutes. I can crunch these all day. Just got off work. This is the perfect relaxation snack. I don't know how these mukbang videos are supposed to go, but I guess you can subscribe, like, and share if you like hard, crunchy, salty snacks. I know I do. That's so good. It's so relaxing. It's almost as good as a massage. Almost as good as a massage. It's relaxing. Next time I'll light some candles, maybe. That was a good one. I'm gonna have to pause now and I'll get back to you.